In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text behind a person here in Canva, just like this. Now, this is really easy to do, and it literally takes seconds. So let me show you step by step. Now, first of all, you're going to need a person. So I'm going to come up to here, to Elements. I have lots of different images just here. We're going to choose this one. Now from here, let's just make this bigger so it fits the screen like so. Then we're going to add our text. So let's come up to here to the left hand side. Let's go to Add Heading, and now let's type in Fashion. We're going to make this bigger so it fits on the screen or on the canvas. Let's just move this up. Let's change the font to this one just here. And let's just make that a little bit smaller, like so. Let's go ahead and change the colour to white. Let's add a little drop shadow as well. By going here, let's change that to black. And now let's just put a little bit of a blur on this. Now to put this behind the person is really easy. But we're going to use a Canva Pro, and we're going to use a Canva Pro feature. Now, if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description below, because having Canva Pro makes this extremely easy. All we want to do is click on the image, come up to Edit Photo, come to Magic Grab, and now it's pulled the person from the image, and now we have that text behind the person. Now we can also do this for any type of object. So let's come over to here, let's go to Elements, let's choose something like this car, then let's make this bigger as well. Let's go ahead and just copy this, let's come back onto here, paste that there, let's change this to something like Freedom, make smaller, let's change this to black as well, like so. And now if we click on the image, come to Edit Photo, click on Magic Grab, it's now pulled that object from the image, and now we can actually move that text behind that object. So that's how to put your text behind a person here in Canva. Now for more tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.